So what would have been along this side of the school?
Nothing.
Yeah, we just ran and played.
It would have just been the flagpole here, and you'd have went around back, and the only thing there was the cinder block outhouses.
Yeah, I just remember running and playing
And
along the side and everything.
There was
playing tag.
there was a creek
Back here, right?
creek that ran along.
And towards the back as well.
What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the creek ran to the back and to the side, and when I started here, it was a swampy area back here and on the other side, and it collected water and had an overgrowth of trees, and they cleared all that out and filled it in, and that way we had a ball field out here to play ball.
Softball.
Softball.
Do you have enough for 2 teams?
Well, we played other schools.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they would. Mostly we played among ourselves, but we had schools, other schools that would come in.
Do you have uniforms and everything?
Oh no.